Alrighty, we're back another day, everybody. So yeah, 690 working on this one. Yesterday, for those of you that don't know, we got this thing working, which is an array of random values, and it just sort of runs and like troubles the array and paints the actual value in red. That's it. I don't know why. If I do Control C, it doesn't let me exit, but I guess that's okay. So yeah, I had a problem yesterday, which was that huh. Okay, so here I had an array member. So I guess I could have a type def struct something being like, I don't know, int algorithm, which I guess it could be an enum, but I haven't really worked with them, so array member and then array. I don't know, array, I guess, and then an array member of, yeah, but I have to specify the amount. Shit. So here's the thing, I have an array, but the amount of elements of the array is specified by the config setting that I have, which is, I do not want to do this, here, number of elements 200. Now I don't know if that should be the case, but or maybe in each case it should be something like, well, or like in each algorithm I have to choose a number of elements to sort of represent the actual thing, because maybe some of them are way too slow for having like 200 elements or something like that. I don't think any of them will be slow, but you get the point. So yeah, I don't know how to do this. I don't know if I should just have the fixed amount of elements. I don't know, maybe it's better to implement vectors in C++, which could be a good thing, so that I could, start working with them. But yeah, I don't really know. I mean, I guess I could, but this should be here, and I guess I could just, can I pass vectors? I think I can pass vectors as arguments and all that, which could really actually help me. So wait. So here, just to try, I'm going to include a vector. Okay, and then I'm going to have an std vector of type array number. Call array. Sorry, let's just call it vector. Okay. Give me a minute. Okay. Vector of fixed size. Maybe constant size vector. Is to the vector 10. It will be vector 10. It should be completely cross-platform, maybe in upper source class. This allocates initial size and fills the elements with zeros. Ooh, that's good. That's good. So what? B vector config number of elements. Oh, I'm using vectors. 100% I'm using vectors. Fuck you. Well, I guess I should have vector I dot rect. Okay. Vector. 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 Okay, and it works. Okay, so we're using vectors, I guess. There's no way to define a constant size vector. If you know the size of Python, you can use C++11's std array aggregate. Wait. Fixed size arrays. But what is the difference? Oh, here. What is the difference between this and the built-in array? There's no drawback to using it, only the benefits of octal type size if you member functions. Okay, plus the member functions. Okay, it's pretty much the same reasons why you should use it in this d vector over new size. Looks a lot scarier than enough. That's true. Raw arrays are a fundamental part of the language. You will have to understand how they work at some point regardless. That is the order how the greatest of the drawings were taught, so that is how they teach. So I guess I could use the same thing but just with an array. So let's do the array. Too few template arguments. What? Let's do the array. Do I not have to define the type of it? Yeah, I do. Oh, but maybe it has to be a fixed size. No? Okay, hold on. Non-type template argument is not a constant expression, so it has to be constant. std array constant size, I guess. And the size is a variable, not a constant. std vector. Well, I guess I'm going back to vectors then. Alright. So, okay. This is how it gets done. You're actually doing no sleep. Okay, so so I have my vector. But also at the same time, I don't know if this should be it. Like, okay, I have my vector and whatever, but you know, it's like maybe it should receive a vector as a parameter, argument. I don't know. So fixed size vector response after declaration. I can resize it. Yo, these things are great, my man. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this here, but well, actually, I'm gonna do it here. I'm gonna do an std vector of type array member called vector. Okay, so you're out of here. Then this should be vector dot resize with config number of elements. Right. Okay, and then I should change this. Vector of type array member called vector. Just find the clear identifier std. I'm sorry for not including the is string. Whatever. Non-template named vector. I'm sorry for not including vector. Sorry, vector. Okay, so then I guess I can just get rid of this here, right? But I'm gonna leave it anyways. Okay, good. There are various ways to do this. You can either resize and isn't isolate with 0. B equals vector. Vector in V. then v equals vector, so I guess I could do something like vector equals vector of type, wait, what? Vector int, yes. Array member. Not much constructor organization. Huh. V equals vector int size 0. Interesting. Resize the vector of. Well, I guess I can just use the resize then. Oh, wait. Hold on. Resize and then this sets it to here. To 0, sorry. Wait, is this, how old is this? This is 8 years. So resize vector function. So resize to type value. Options: the value assigned to newly added elements if the vector increases in size. So why is this not no much a member concept? It's called resize. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? 0. Oh, because okay. So I guess it would be. I don't know. I have no idea if this works, but nothing like trying it. Undefined reference to initialize array. I'm sorry. What? You are absolutely right. Initialize array, it has to have a vector which is going to be declared. Actually here, yes. Vector is not here, so I have to include it. Well, actually, since I have this, it has vector already. So vector of type array member, call vector. Okay. So here I'm passing vector. Okay, and it works. Okay, so then I have this here. I guess I could initialize the vector to the number of elements here. So this could be something like vector dot resize to config number of elements. So then I could just okay. Out of here. Okay. Out of here. Okay. So I guess I'm gonna have something like mark body or something like that. It's gonna be I don't know, int mark or this is how you highlight, yeah, highlight value, which is going to receive an int called value, and an SDL rect as well. It has, and an SDL rect. Actually, you could receive an array member, and that would be it. Array member. Or actually, but whoa. Oh, I have to receive the window and all that. Shit, I guess. Okay. Window, and then I'm gonna have, whoops, sorry, an SDL, what's it, a surface, which is SDL get window surface from the window. Okay. And so this is gonna be value.rect, value.rect. Sorry, of the vector. Okay. What happened? So it happens anyway. Maybe it has something to do with this. Maybe. I don't know. Where is this? No. What's happening? Why are you giving me trouble now? Do I need to malloc? Do I need to malloc a vector? Alright. Do not malloc a vector or anything containing a vector. Okay. Sorry, I meant to do this here. Oh, maybe because I was running the loop after the vector, or before the vector itself. Okay. Ooh, look how cool this looks. Okay. Okay. So this is cool and all that. Alright. Oh no, let's do what? Let's do what? A bubble short. Wait. Where did I just get myself into? Code CPP. Oh, it's right here. Right. Well, I didn't want to do it, but you know, since this. Okay. So this is done. Then I have the highlight value and whatnot. Okay. Define shorting .hpp. Okay. And then here I'm gonna have a stream. Gonna have vector. Whoa. Alright. Expected white. Expected white. Oh, you are very right. I need to include my header for shorten.hpp. Okay. So allow me to copy this. Oh shit, it's raining. Okay. Okay, vector dot value probably. Okay, let me just do this from scratch. For int I equals 0. Okay. I less than size of, or vector dot size. Vector dot size. Then I have another one, and j equals I 0. j less than, yet again, vector dot size. That's right, j plus plus. Okay, j plus plus n minus 1. Wait, and this is 1? No, it's 0 as well. Okay. Minus 1. Then I have to do if vector dot value. How can I? Okay, that makes sense. Vector dot I dot value. Okay, so this is okay. So if this is the case, then you have to swap them, right? And vector j value equals vector j plus 1 value, and then vector j plus 1 dot value equals db. Okay, and then this is it, right? And then highlight value. Oh, I need a window. Shit. Yikes, I need a window. Well, I guess in this case. Whoa. Chill. This is gonna be SDL window. It's gonna be like this. Here it's gonna say window. So you know, probably initialize array. It's gonna be bubble short with vector and window. Yep, that's because I need to include this. Sorting. Okay. Comparison of integer expression of different signess, int and size type, long unsigned int. Can I do something like this? Int vector size. I guess I can't. Do I have SDL quit? No, I don't. Hello? Hello? Or do you not do it? Or do you just do it so fast? Oh wait, actually. Shit. Okay. So why? Pretty much. Is it sick? Sick what? Sick int. Okay. Picture size 200. So what is up? What is up? Do you do it again or what? Yeah. Oh, I have to clear the value there. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so it might be what? An array, array value, int clear value column. I don't know. Column. It's gonna receive an array number value. So window. Get Windows servers from the window. Okay. Then this instead of bin. So it would have to be before every swap. Here, so what is it called? Clear volume. Oh. Well, I guess I have to clear both, right? Why are you not doing what you're supposed to be doing? Raise array. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-bum. Nope, still does nothing. What? So it doesn't do anything then. So there's a bigger problem. So it gets here. So he gets inside the first one then. Sorry. So he gets inside the first iteration of I, which is okay. 0. Okay. How about J and then J? So it's doing all of these things. 200. Boom. So let's see if I actually changes. Or E, sorry. Wait. It does change, so why are you not updated, man? You should be updated. It's not doing it. I really don't get it. I don't get what this is not working. Whoa, 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 whoa. So this has to wait for this, then, well, it has to do all the different things, but I'm just gonna skip over this and skip over this. So maybe that's why it's not doing it. Because it doesn't have a value? What the hell? Oh shit. Oh shit. Wait up. I really thought it was that. Okay, so it does have a value. So then, why am I not getting the same value here? Huh. try to print the value of each position of the vector, they all turn out to 0. Do I have to pass a pointer? By value set of reference? I might be. You know what I mean? Shit, I might be. Shit, I might be. Okay, so let's just pass it by reference then. And then let's just go sorting.cpp. This is sorting.hpp. Okay. Then in array.cpp, I'm also going to pass it as a okay. We got something now. Alright. Array.cpp, sorting.cpp. Alright, so let me go back to how I had it here. Whoa. Okay, that is doing something. Sorting.cpp, whatever. I might not even need this. That was kind of crazy. Okay. Okay. I know. I have to do something where it's like update value. Instead of clear, it has to be sort of update. Okay, so this is gonna be update. And then array.hpp, it's gonna have the same thing. Update. Okay. So then I guess in array I have an error. I do not. In sorting, I do not. I guess it's not called. So I have to update the new thing. So how did I do it here? Oh, I don't have to guess, but I do have a new value though. Value x. What is x in this case? I have no idea. Ooh, that is so good. Well, not maybe not. Minus guess. X and y. What am I doing? Reg x. Okay. So this x stays the same, and this new y has to minus value dot value, and this is the width and the height. So height value dot, I guess, reg dot height. I guess so, I don't know. So wait, first I have to clear this. Whoa. Okay, so I do this, then I assign the new value, and then sorry. I don't know if this is it. Okay. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out, but so I pinned this to black, right? Value dot rect. Yes. And then I do this, it is the rect. The axis stays on the same. Does it? Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Yeah, this is not good. So I have to change the X on the Y. Well, I could do also the vector. J dot rect. Oh, sorry. Okay, and then here, but now update, it's gonna be a little different. Because rather than rect, it's just gonna be the SDL rect column. It's gonna be the equals the value dot rect dot x. Okay, dot x. This is gonna be the config. Oh crap, I don't know if this is gonna be window height. Okay, so this is the X and Y, and then try the Y, it's gonna be the same. Well, I guess it's the same. So value dot rect dot Y. This is gonna be the same value dot rect dot width, and then this is gonna be config window height. Okay, and then this is gonna be column. I fill this with 0. And then I don't have to change this, I just have to come up here and do this since it's a new one. Yet again, I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh shit. Well, I guess I could do one thing actually. I mean, very stupid. I could do array member aux equals, sorry, array member aux equals vector j, right? And then I could say, well, this is not needed anymore. This is not needed anymore. Well, the whole right thing is out. Then I have this, and then it can be like, okay, well, vector j, it's gonna be equal to vector j plus 1. And then vector j plus 1, it's gonna be equal to aux. Okay. Alright, but it's not updating anything. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why are you not updating? Well, I do want to update this for sure. Of course, this is not going to fix anything, but this just makes it way faster. Okay. But, why are you giving me so much trouble here? And then this, okay, well, I know for a fact you get inside of this. But I need to update the value column, and then I need to update both in this case. And in this case I do, okay, I receive the value dot right dot x. This here, my height is going to be that much. And then my width is going to be this much. I want you to fill it with black. And then I want you to refill it again with white. With the new values. It's like, I don't really get it. No. So this is clearly wrong. I don't understand what I have to do. I really don't. I really do not. Shit, it's raining quite a lot, honestly. So this is sorting. Then I have this. Then I want to do cut sort array for update value column. The update value column is supposed to update on the screen the recently swapped values, but it does not do anything on screen. Are you clearing the all column correctly, or using this line to clear the all column? Make sure that value rec.x or value rec.hat change correctly when the right elements are swapped. So how can I change this? Okay. Wait, why are you giving me the x? Okay, so the x. Values. So the recs are not the same as the values. Huh. Why is that? You're supposed the x is supposed to be the same. It is supposed to be the same, right? Sort him here. Yeah, between 1 and the window height. Oh. Wait, no, yes. Yes. Okay, so it's not technically the same. Okay. But I do want the x to be swapped. So, let me just skip previous text. Previous rex 78. Oh my god, wait. Vale. Previous regs 18 and 19, regs 19 and 18. So yeah, it does swap it correctly. What are you talking about? It's a no open, that is a custom wrapper. SDL official API is... I'm sorry, but it's not. SDL3. Let's take a look at the SDL3 documentation. Whoops. Wait, but I do want... Perform a fast fill of a rectangle with a specific color on the surface at H. Alright. Color sepia pixel of the format used by the surface and can be generated by SDL mod RGB or... Is it not what it's doing here? Yes. Okay. I'll use it here just because it told me to. I'm sorry. What are you talking about? Palette? What the fuck is that? An optional palette for index format, maybe no. So you're telling me this is just a null argument? No. Whoa. No much function for a call. What are you doing? Why not? Why not? I don't understand. I don't understand. What is PF? I don't understand. I really do not understand. It's the same thing. It's literally the same thing. Whoa. Wait, actually, I want to know. What is this value thing, man? Oh. So it does order it in the right order. Yikes. I don't know, man. I think it's gonna be this for today, man. Yo.